Nicholas Rives, smiling because he's celebrating his first birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Nicholas in Jasper.
All right, and we got Lilliahna Olmos celebrating birthday number 9 this year in Oswego. Hope it's a great one for you, Lilliahna.
Amanda Fager-Maghe, celebrating her 34th birthday. Amanda, special birthday wishes from Mama and Pops. Have a great day.
All right, George Patton is the big 6-0 today. Happy birthday, George.
Celebrating yesterday, and we're going to carry it into today because Joe Kennedy is happy 75. Joe wants you to have a marvelous day. He's in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Miss Norma Crabtree. You'll see her there on the far right in that picture. Turning 93 years old. She is in Chinook, Kansas. Happy birthday, Norma.
And Tosha Carson, a very happy birthday to you. Tosha, she is celebrating in Girard.
All right, and we're told that she's referred to as the skinny hen. Celebrated birthday number 45 yesterday. Miss Amy Castle in Chautauqua. Happy birthday.
And in the NAC, Anna Ketterman. Happy birthday, Miss Ketterman. And I want you to know these birthday wishes extended from the entire family. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
And we got